Global warming, which began with measurable increases in average global surface temperatures after the mid-19th century, is primarily driven by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. This process leads to an accumulation of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere, contributing to a rise in global temperatures. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, reported that from 1980 to 2017, the average global temperature increased by approximately 0.8 degrees Celsius compared to pre-industrial level. Notably, since 2016, this increase has been accelerated, with a significant spike observed in 2023, Sea level rise is one of the most direct consequences of warming. Since 1900, global mean sea levels have risen by about 8 inches, or approximately 20 centimeters. The IPCC estimates that if current trends continue, sea levels could increase between 1.6 and 6.6 feet, or around 50 to 200 centimeters, by the year 2050. This rise in sea levels is due primarily to thermal expansion of ocean water and melting of ice sheets from land-based glaciers. The impacts of rising sea levels are significant, affecting coastal communities, infrastructure, and ecosystems worldwide. Coastal flooding events have become more frequent and severe, with costs for property damage and emergency response increasing annually. The economic impact varies by region, but has been estimated at several $billion annually in some regions affected by persistent coastal flooding. Furthermore, saltwater intrusion into freshwater sources can lead to reduced agricultural productivity and contamination of drinking water supplies. While efforts have been made towards reducing greenhouse gas emissions through international accords such as the Paris Agreement, measurable impacts on global warming show that progress has been slow. According to the World Bank, if current trends in carbon dioxide emissions continue, it is estimated that global mean surface temperature could rise by around 3 degrees Celsius or more by 2050 compared to pre-industrial level. Looking forward, projections indicate continued rises in sea levels, coupled with increasingly severe weather events such as hurricanes and droughts. To mitigate these effects, it is recommended that societies adopt a multi-pronged strategy, including enhanced carbon capture technologies, increased reliance on renewable energy sources, and adaptive measures such as coastal protection infrastructure. Through concerted global action and innovation, efforts to slow the rise in sea levels could significantly reduce adverse impacts on societal well-being.